Hello, welcome to the next tutorial. In the previous tutorial we learned about variables, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about the differences between list and tuple. So let me name this list and tuples dot py. So in this tutorial we'll learn what are the differences between list and tuple. Let me first create a list. Let me name this list fruits, fruits. fruits. So let me enter first is mango, second is apple, third is, you can keep it, avocado. So this is a list. List normally has a variable name, and we have a equal to, and it is inside big bracket and it goes inside big bracket. Each element is separated by a comma, and each element, if it is a string, it's inside double inverted commas, and if it is a number, it simply is like 12. That's all. Let's create tuple of fruits. So in tuple we start with parenthesis or the small bracket, and when we type in mango, same thing, and type in apple and type in avocado. So let's delete this 12 from here, and then the first one is the list data type, and the second one is the tuple data type. Now soon you'll see the differences between them. If we try to add some elements inside fruits, for example, fruits 2 equals to, we replace this value with banana, banana, and let us print out fruits, the whole array. What happens right here? You see, you can see that the second place, that is 0 1 2, was avocado, which is replaced by banana, right? You can see it clearly right here. It's mango, apple, avocado. Avocado was clearly replaced by banana because we entered fruits second place value as banana. Now similarly, if we try to do this, the same thing with tuple of fruits, we do it second position equals to banana, and then print tuple of fruits. What does our program generate? Let us see. It generates error because tuple object does not support item assignment. Tuples are such data type which are kind of list, but the values inside it remain constant forever. If we have these three values, now its values are not going to be changed, but we can access its values same like the list by doing tuple of fruits and providing the index of the value we want to access, and run the program here in the terminal doing this, and you have avocado because the 2 index number is avocado. That's all. You can assign values, you can manipulate values, you can change values in list, but you cannot change anything in tuple. It remains constant forever. That's the major difference between both of them. See you in the next video, and in the next video we'll be learning about methods that are used in the list, which are very useful techniques to make very good programs. See you in the next video.